Hi friends, welcome once again. This is Dr. Abdul Rahim Chimthanawala. Today let us see something about one remedy which I have seen in lot many of cases. I'll tell you how the remedy develops, how is the concept of the remedy and how do you remember these type of remedy. I am talking today about Cocculus indicus. Yes, Cocculus indicus. First let me tell you a patient's narration, how the patient will tell in Cocculus indicus and how do you identify Cocculus indicus in your OPD. See, remembering symptoms of different remedies while reading may be easy, but you cannot mug up and remember for the whole of life. But if you have cured a case, you have known the basic entry point of the remedy, it's very easy for you to understand and remain that in mind for you a longer period of time. Let me tell something about a Cocculus indicus case. With the case, I'll try to discuss few of the symptoms that I have got in that patient. A Cocculus indicus patient basically always feels, you must have read also, कि I would have done so much in life, but just the time has passed so quickly, I just could not do anything in life. बहुत सारे पेशेंट आपको आके बोलेंगे लाइफ में बहुत कुछ कर सकता था, मैं लाइफ में बहुत कुछ कर सकता था, बट लाइफ ऐसे निकल गई, अभी टाइम ही नहीं बचा मेरे पास, अभी मैं 50-55 का हो गया हूँ, अब तो मुझे मेरे बच्चों का देखना है. Now I'm 50-55, now I have to see of my children's. The life has gone. I would have done so much in life. I had so much talent, doctor, but I think wasted, but that just time flew away. I feel I'm so unfortunate, that I wasted my talent that God has given me, and now I can't do anything in life. Because of this, when I wake up in the morning, I feel absolutely dull. I feel disease. I feel now what disease I will have, and I have a disease which is incurable and cannot be cured. That's how I start feeling, because I feel absolutely I have wasted my time. Time is going so fast. I cannot catch up on time. Though I'm successful, I have good done in life, but still I'm not able to understand where the time passed. Because of this, he has always a feeling where there is a lot of anxiety with sad thoughts, always sadness that I would have done so much, my friends have done so much. He does not envy or jealous them, but he says he feels that he could have done better than them, could have better than this person, better than that person. But he feels now there is a lot of anxiety, and in this anxiety and this thought, if somebody shouts at him, speaks rudely to him, he feels very much offended, and whole of the Cocculus indicus symptoms start. So he cannot bear the rudeness of others also. And because of this, there's always a very silent grief. Whenever he talks to a person, he shouts at him, or he does not want him to talk to him, he cannot say no. He always feels that he is better than me. मेरे से अच्छे उसने लाइफ में काम किया है, अब मैं उससे क्या बात करूं, अब चुपचाप रहो, मैं लाइफ में कुछ नहीं कर पाया. और जो भी चीज़ स्ट्रेस रहता है, ग्रीफ रहता है, हमेशा साइलेंटली अपने में सहन करता है, और उसी थॉट्स में पूरा ऑब्जॉर्ब रहता है. जितने भी सैड थॉट्स आ सकते हैं, वॉट एवर सैड थॉट्स दैट ही कैन थिंक अबाउट, उसमें पूरा ऑब्जॉर्ब रहता है वो, बस सैडनेस में. And sometimes he feels that somebody asks him that what is this, what is that, he cannot make decisions also. He feels absolutely headless, and that's why what he says, सब उसके बारे में बोलते हैं कि ये डॉक्टर साहब बहुत अच्छे थे, सबसे अच्छे से बात करते, इज्जत से बात करते, टॉक्स वेरी नाइसली टू अदर, गिव्स रिस्पेक्ट्स टू अदर्स, बट आई डोंट नो व्हाई ही इज ऑलवेज सैड. हिज वाइफ कम्स एंड टेल्स यू, चिल्ड्रन कम्स एंड टेल्स यू, आई डोंट नो डैडी इतना सैड क्यों रहते. बट ये आदमी उस चीज़ से बाहर निकल नहीं पाता. उसको ऐसे लगता है बस मेरा टाइम चले गया, मेरा अच्छा टाइम चले गया और लाइफ में मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता. दिस इज अ शॉर्ट स्टोरी ऑफ Cocculus indicus which I want to tell you, and if you see this story, and you will see this story in your patients also. आप अपने ओपीडी में भी ये स्टोरी देखेंगे और महसूस करेंगे पेशेंट बोल रहा है. अब इसको हम अगर सिम्टोमेटिक देखिए या रूब्रिक वाइज देखिए तो पूरा Cocculus indicus का केस बैठता है. इसको हम सिम्टम देखेंगे, जैसे टाइम पासेस टू क्विकली, डिल्यूजन, हेडलेस दैट ही इज, एंग्जाइटी फ्रॉम सैड थॉट्स और एंग्जाइटी फ्रॉम रूडीनेस ऑफ अदर्स, एलिमेंट्स फ्रॉम एंगर, वेक्सेशन एंड ग्रीफ साइलेंट, absorbed general in sadness, indulge in sadness thoughts, fear of disease which is incurable especially in the morning, and dreams of unfortunate events. So ये पूरा आप देखा जाए तो पूरा Cocculus indicus बन जाता है. और जो रिस्पेक्ट का बात किया, वॉट एवर आई हैव टोल्ड यू अबाउट द रिस्पेक्ट, दैट rubric is reverence those around him. So this is a perfect picture of Cocculus indicus which you will get in your OPD. ये पूरी स्टोरी का जो निचोड़ आता है, समरी ऑफ द स्टोरी इज दैट this is how a Cochlear indicus patient develops in life, evolves in life. Of course, we can go on and on for about half an hour to 1 hour, but I just wanted to share a gist of Cochlear indicus, and you can always see in your patients, and always you can add more symptoms and make a complete picture. But this is the starting point, this is the evolution of Cochlear indicus and the entry point of Cochlear indicus, which I have seen in my practice and I have seen good results. So my dear friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.